So these are some of the LinkedIn statistics you can see as per 2021. It says around now it's by the way, it's over 740 million members in 200 countries and region worldwide. They are actually using LinkedIn. So now you can imagine that if you become active on LinkedIn, how much visibility you can have as a job seeker, as a fresh graduate, even as a budding entrepreneur as well. What do I mean by budding entrepreneur? You have recently started off with your business and you want to pitch your services. You want to create awareness regarding that. This is what I have to offer, and this is something that once you would buy it from me, you would have that credibility. We will talk about this credibility factor as well. This is again very important. As I just talked about the generation gap, I said that now we have Gen Y, Gen Z. These are the ones who are at their career peaks. Not just that, these are the ones who are actually now entering into the professional world. If we talk about Gen Z, the fresh generation that now we have. So what happens? Now, as per the research, if you study about it, I would suggest you to please research on these generation gaps and their mindsets. You would be able to understand that these people, fresh graduates, job seekers, whatever you may call them, these budding individuals, actually, they are looking for the credibility factor. So let's say if I have my business idea in my mind and I would like to pitch myself as an entrepreneur, as a businessman, business lady on LinkedIn, and I would like to tell people that these services I'm going to offer you, and these are the costs and everything, and I have my website ready with me and everything, flyers and everything. But what is the thing that I really have to work on in order to convince my prospective clients that yes, I am the one, you should come to me for buying these services? So that factor is actually credibility. So this has been proven that nowadays, especially if you want to build your brand, not just a business brand, but also a professional brand as a job seeker as well, you need to create credibility around your brand. You need to create that trust. And that is why we say that professional networking is so important in finding opportunities nowadays. And similarly, why do we say that we need to have testimonials for our business? Let's say we need to have some recommendations on LinkedIn in order to prove it to our prospective clients that yes, we are delivering the quality that you are looking for. So this is again very important to understand. I have literally mentioned a very important thing to you guys in order to understand this thing, because these are the initial steps. First, you need to work on those things. You need to frame a proper plan for that. Only then, once you're clear about it and you have a proper strategy, only then you would be able to move on with LinkedIn optimization and you would be able to reap the benefits out of it. But if you are not working on this initial thing, SWOT analysis, USP, understanding your target audience, the niche as well. Like, okay, I have to connect with professionals coming from HR background. If I'm an engineer, I have to connect with professionals coming from this background. If I'm coming from finance, then definitely my target market would be professionals coming from finance background. So this is how you need to understand it. But don't take me wrong over here. Don't misunderstand me. I'm not only asking you to connect with people who are coming from the similar background, I mean the background that you hold. You must also connect with people coming from different backgrounds, coming from different expertise. You know why? The thing is that we call it acts like a door of opportunity for you. So let's say I connect with a professional who is not coming from the same background that I'm coming from, but that professional can actually connect me to another professional who is actually beneficial for me. So that's why we say that professional networking, it acts like a networking web. So, it is actually a door of opportunity for you. So no matter whoever you connect with, they may connect you with the right person